Citizens from the Kalos region. Tonight we're going to draw gogoats from Pokemon the series XY. So you have one of the very popular Kalos region Pokemon that first appeared on the Pokemon XY series. It came out on Pokemon Black and White, Adventures in Unova, and beyond. And basically, this is the first time I've actually seen Gogoat was on Pokemon Black and White. And he got his second appearance on Pokemon XY. And also, by touching its horns, this guy has the ability to understand how you feel. And, well, it's quite an interesting power. Go. There's his hooves. Now we draw Gogoat's hair. and finished. That is how you draw a gogoat. Whoa, this guy knows aerial ace. Never realized that. And a signature move called Horn Leaf. Wow, that's something. What else? Oh, Milk Drink. Now that's interesting. There we go. That's how you draw a gogoat. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And, wow. Look at what characters you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.